Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt and with me is Team Shosha comprising of just one member today, Shweta Rashmi, because Soumya Sharma couldn't join us today. कल उसने pineapple दलिया खा लिया था जिसके बाद से उसकी तबीयत काफी खराब है. So let's begin. Okay, तो जीत जिद की जिद जीत की जिद इज इट जीत की जिद जीत के आगे जिद है. Jeet Ki Zid, starring Amit Sad and Sushant Singh, is a true story of an army man called Deep Singh Sengar, जिन्हें 2 बार गोली लगी and दोनों बार the doctors were like, you will never be able to walk again. But then, by sheer will and perseverance, he managed to do exactly that. He walks again, and today he's working in a very reputed firm in Singapore. तो ये कहानी है in a nutshell, and Amit Sad is playing the role of Mr. Deep Singh Sengar. एंड श्वेता, कैसा लगा आपको उनका परफॉर्मेंस? कितना कन्विंसिंग लगा? क्या वो परसिवरेंस निखर के आया इस शो में इनका?
Well, honestly, when I even saw the trailer जीत की जिद का, तो I was interested.
स्पेशल फोर्स सेना मेडल विनर इस हाल में मेरी गलती है क्योंकि मैंने गलत आदमी को ट्रेन किया.
I wouldn't say कि I was like extremely passionately looking forward to it. एक interest था, of course, because of the story, because of the actors and all of that. And I would want to say that when I watched it, I was not disappointed, very honestly. From where it starts to where it goes, I think it only gets better with each passing episode. That is like a genuine sentiment that I had. हर एपिसोड और बेहतर होता गया. अराउंड 7 एपिसोड्स हैं इस शो में और देयर आर अराउंड लाइक 37-40 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स इस रेंज में है. एंड या आई थिंक दिस इज I genuinely did enjoy this show a lot. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from me.
Okay, I won't say I genuinely enjoyed the show, but yeah, the show is watchable for sure, and watchable for the biggest reason is कि अमित सद की एंट्री जो कि एग्जैक्टली कसिनो रॉयल की एंट्री से मैच खाती है. यू नो, लाइक हाउ जेम्स बॉन्ड इमर्जेस आउट ऑफ द सी, वैसी एंट्री यहाँ पे अमित सद की ही आल्सो इमर्जेस आउट ऑफ द वाटर. So the entry is of course the high point, and the way he emerges out of the water. Plus the show has been directed by a director called Vishal Mangalorkar, जिन्होंने इससे पहले काफी सारे कमर्शियल्स डायरेक्ट किए हैं और उन्होंने अपेरेंटली सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्रीम के एड डायरेक्ट किए हैं. Like he has only directed cold cream के ads. I don't know why, but that's what he has done. Also, this show also marks Boney Kapoor ka foray into the web arena as a producer, because Boney Kapoor is one of the co-producers. So a lot of even the light didn't like the Boney Kapoor ka entry to the web series ka sector. But so a lot of new characters in this one. The show is definitely, like you said, it's 7 episodes of 30 to 40 minutes each. So they are like binge watch किया जा सकता है आराम से. It's like a really long movie. पर कहीं कहीं मुझे लगा कि एडिट थोड़ा सा टाइट हो सकता था. You know, like कहीं पे थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा कि फास्ट पेस हो सकते थे. What do you think, Shweta?
Yeah, so that is again something that I felt कि कुछ जगह पर it looked a little dragged. But I mean it's fine. ऐसे कोई बहुत ज्यादा भी वो नहीं था कि मतलब unbearable था. That was not the scene. 1-2 बार ऐसा हुआ जबकि लगा, पर I think mostly it was fine. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें थी मतलब because you know they have to show this entire lifespan of a person from ranging from a certain age to a certain age. So obviously they have to undergo like a lot of things that might have happened. तो I understand कुछ चीजें रखनी जरूरी भी हो सकती हैं, but फिर भी I believe कि कुछ चीजें as far as the edit is concerned, it could have been like more crisp and like quick. So yeah, that is one thing which could have been done.
Okay. So moving on to the performances, Sushant Singh भी हैं इसमें. Sushant Singh, who's an acclaimed actor himself, and he's been in the industry for quite some time now. और इसमें वो कुछ ज्यादा ही स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरवाइजर बने यार. मतलब एक दो जगह पे वो मतलब अब पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा रियल में हुआ है कि नहीं है, पर एक दो जगह पे सुशांत सिंह इज लाइक यू नो बिल्कुल मतलब लातात मार रहे हैं यार. इनको ऐसा दिखाया गया है इसमें. बट स्टिल समहाउ सुशांत सिंह मैनेजेस टू कन्विंस अस विद दिस परफॉर्मेंस. So whose performance stood out for you, Shweta?
Okay, so you know, Vijay, I genuinely do want to talk about the performances because that is, I think, for me, the highlight of the show. Amit Saad की बात हम बाद में करेंगे, but starting from Amrita Puri, who's playing Amit's wife, in the series, Jaya Singer. She's so good. One thing that I really like about the show is that it's not just like a very serious kind of a show, which is just showing us his journey, from how he's coping up with everything. It also has like a very nice love story wala track. And how Jaya is like his strength. I think Amrita is really able to pull it off. So that is one thing that I really liked. Speaking of one more performer that I genuinely enjoyed and was surprised by is Ali Gori, who is obviously like a very popular television star. But this is like his first venture into the web series, and I think he's really done very well. There were scenes where I felt ki, yaar, I don't know. I mean, if he will be able to pull it off and all of that. But towards the second half, especially, there's this confrontation kind of a scene that happens between the two of them. I genuinely enjoyed, watching the two of them together, Amit and Ali in this one. Speaking of Sushant Singh, yes, dude, he was like really strict. I was just like, thank God मेरी life में ऐसा कोई नहीं है, because he's like really pushing you, from your boundaries. And there were times where I was like, yaar, I mean, I don't know if that person, Major Deep, is genuinely able to come out of that thing that he's gone into, because Sushant is like really pushing him into it, to come out of that particular phase. So वो चीज थी, but at the same time his performance was amazing. I really liked his performance. So yeah, that's that. इसके अलावा Amit Sadh, who's playing Major Deep Sengar, who is, I think Amit is always really sort of, I don't know, he's just really made us feel very good about his performances. We've always really enjoyed it, right from जितनी उनकी performances पिछले साल भी आई, from Breathe and to Shakuntala Devi and to Avrodh and all of those, to now. He's definitely come a long way, especially if we think about from where he started to now. And I genuinely enjoyed his performance, and the whole transformation that he's undergone, and how much he undergoes for a role. It's just amazing. It's just really cool. So I think yes, the performances I think were definitely the highlight for me, and मेरे को सारी performances बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. Special mention to Sonpari also, who's here, Mrinal Kulkarni, who's playing Amit Sadh's mother. I can't go without talking about Sonpari. I was so excited to see her after so long. She's also done like a really good job. But हाँ, मेरे हिसाब से at least ये 4 performances, Amit, Ali, Amrita and Sushant Singh, they were like the highlight. They were so good. So yeah, what do you feel about that?
Yeah, even I think that Amit Sir did a mighty good job as playing the role of Major Deep Singh Sengar, because the hard work he shows, like like the training, and it's not just like कि बस उन्होंने army uniform पहन लिया and then he's become an army man. No, he's actually put in some grit, some sweat into it. And यहाँ पे हम खेलेंगे एक छोटा सा contest for our esteemed viewers. आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि पानी से निकलते हुए शॉट में अमित सद की छाती में कितने बाल हैं, आपको गिन के हमें काउंटिंग देनी है. And the winner will get एक दिन और 6 रात का trip to Ambala from our side. So get counting and start. Okay, so those were the pros. What were the cons according to you? Like, what did you not like about the show?
I think like we talked about it, the edit could have been crisp. वो एक चीज थी जो कि मुझे लगी कि बीच में कुछ चीजें थी which could have been sort of avoided, but I think that is perhaps the only thing. हर एपिसोड एक के बाद एक थोड़ा बेहतर होते गया, तो I don't really have like a lot of complaints, because मुझे genuinely show अच्छा लगा. So yeah.
Okay, so the one thing that I didn't like was that last में he gives an inspirational speech at this place called LED Talks.
Yeah.
Which everybody knows what pun play they're trying to portray. And the weird thing is in that LED Talks.
Yeah, they can't really show
that LED. Yeah, but then it's weird naming it LED Talks. What is a LED Talk? Like, it doesn't. And people in that LED Talk are actually practicing social distancing, because if you look at that scene, तो लोग literally 6 feet की gap में बैठे हैं. I don't know what's happening.
I think that maybe it's because I don't know. I mean, it's a stupid reason for me to say this, but maybe because it's shot during the lockdown and everything, and maybe who knows? Maybe
that's the reason. But
interestingly, when you talk about that scene, I'm sorry, I'm cutting you off. When you talk about that scene, उसमें Amrita is there. I was really looking forward to seeing his friends Ali and his wife also there, because they have also played an important role.
Yeah. Yeah.
because they also tried a lot. So I really wanted to see, क्योंकि the track that we see Ali और Amit का last, it was like a little hook पे छोड़ दिया, and I wanted to
Hmm.
see them also together with Amrita and with everyone who was there in the audience clapping. That is one thing that I felt कि होनी चाहिए थी. But yeah, anyway, continue.
Yeah, I think Ali Goni को भी वहाँ होनी चाहिए था. So, but apart from that, I think so. What happens is that right in the end of the series, the real Major Deep Singh singer, he comes on screen, and that's when I realized that okay, so this guy is what, like 5'6", and he's very thin. And then I look at Amit Sad playing his role, and I'm like, okay, so Amit Sad is very like massive, and he's very differently built than the man that he's portraying. So वहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि maybe casting शायद किसी और को कर सकते थे, but then again. I think Amit Sad did a mighty good job. So yeah, I think the show was pretty watchable.
मतलब you are right कि मतलब physicality इसको ऐसे वो देखा जाए तो, but
Yeah.
I think it's also about how this person, how if there is someone who will be able to pull it off. It's more about the physical training also, the entire thing. अगर हमें मेजर दीप से नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता towards the series, हर एपिसोड के बाद में मेजर दीप and his wife are there to tell us a little about that particular episode and what's happening and all of that. अगर वो चीजें नहीं होती, and if we did not know how Major Deep looks, I'm still like very convinced by Amit's performance in that sense. So I think that's there, but मतलब main चीज वही है कि कौन ऐसा है जो इस रोल को इस तरह से pull off कर सकता था.
Yeah, true.
Considering that, Amit is like the perfect choice for this one.
Yeah, that too. So in the end, so I think we both agree that this show is pretty watchable. I think it's a good watch. It's a good mixture of great determination, storytelling. The edit could have been tighter at times, but I think overall it's a nice shot. Like you can totally give it a watch.
I want to do
कुछ नया है.
I want to do a special mention.
Yeah.
Special mention to Diptarka Bose, who has sung the theme song of the show. मतलब usually what happens with me while I'm watching all of this is कि मैं theme songs को आगे थोड़ा मतलब I just skip it, which I did in the first 2-3 episodes, very honestly. But after a while, when I started listening to it, that tune is stuck into my head, the lyrics. He's sung it, and he's also composed the music for the show, background and all of those. So yes, I do want to mention Diptarka Bose, who's I think really like he's such a nice singer also. Like apart from being a good composer, such a good singer. So yeah, that is again one thing which I genuinely liked about Jeet Kizit.
Nice. So the show apparently has everything. It has got a nice catchy theme song. It's got good storyline. So why not give it a shot? Do watch it and do let us know if you agree with our review. Do let us know if you agree with the pros and cons that we discussed in this review. And if there's any other show, music video, or movie, etc., you want us to review, feel free to type it out in the comment section. Till then, this is us, Team Shosha, Abhijit Bhatt and Shweta Rashmi saying goodbye. And we'll meet you soon with a new review. So till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.